Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a business card mockup in Photoshop. Start by placing your card design onto a perspective background, then convert both front and back side into smart object. Now use transform wizard to align perfectly with background angles and also add realistic drop shadows under each card. Now duplicate one card layer and blur it to create focus depth and adjust brightness and contrast for lighting balance. Now add a faint reflection using a flip to copy and also enhance the layout using gradient overlay for soft tone. And add a background blur to separate the subject. Now insert your brand logo on a one card for focus and also apply bevel and emboss to enhance 3D.